Since the beginning, we created our own standards, as the bar simply hadn't been elevated high enough. Our mission was always to capture the luxury of executive aerospace travel for our clients' daily commute, centered around privacy and utility, built with a purpose for the modern executive, imagining nothing short of a seamless integration of luxury components, coming together in perfect harmony. The peace of soaring at 30,000 feet, the hum of cutting through the air, the dynamic applications, the opulence, even on a congested road during rush hour, the ability to turn everything off, even for a moment, and to reconnect once you're ready to. Introducing the world's first executive luxury transporter by Lexani Motorcars. LexaniMotorcars.com